welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my everyday makeup look. I'm about to head out, so I was going to do a little bit of a get ready with me. This is quite a natural look. I do like to wear my makeup quite natural on an everyday basis, and then when I'm going out and stuff I like to glam it up a little bit, but I'm going to show you anyway. So let's get started. First thing I like to do is I like to moisturize. So I love this moisturizer. This is the Green Angel moisturizer. It's a use this all the time. So next I'm going to move on to primer. Now my all-time favorite primer is the Benefit Professional Primer. Reason being is that it's literally like a filter for the skin. So what it does is it blurs out any fine lines, wrinkles, pores, anything like that, and it really does set a good base for your makeup to stick onto. Industrial Strength Concealer by Benefit. This is the Boying Concealer. Now this is quite full coverage, so that's why I really like it. Now I'm going to go in with shade 2 because it's got a little bit of like a pinky kind of, not pinky, I suppose a salmon kind of undertone to it, so it does cancel out any darkness under my eyes. So now that we have that on, I'm going to go in with my foundation. Not really foundation, I'm going to use a CC cream today. So I absolutely love this. This is the Sleek CC cream. It's got an SPF of 29 in it as well, so it's absolutely brilliant. Blank Canvas F20 brush. This brush is absolutely amazing for foundation or anything like that. I absolutely love this brush. So any flat top brush is what I normally use. And then I'm going to dab this on to the brush. Oh yeah, big shout out to Chloe. In my last video I was chatting to you, girl. Big shout out to you. I hope you're doing well, and I really hope that your new year is going really good for you. Happy New Year to everybody. So I literally just pack this on the skin. I find this is the best way to get like the best coverage out of it. I think if you swipe it, you're kind of dragging the product off the skin, whereas if you kind of pat it on, you're getting like the most coverage that you can get. And I really love this foundation because I like my skin to look like my skin, if that makes sense. I don't like to look really cakey or anything like that, so I find like with these primers and with all the steps that I kind of do, it gives you kind of the best looking skin that you can possibly get. And it doesn't look like, oh my god, she looks so cakey or she's got so much makeup on. It actually looks proper and kind of like natural kind of. So I'm actually about to go to IKEA. I freaking love IKEA. Oh my god, I could spend hours in IKEA. I love IKEA so much. I'm kind of weird like that. I'm going to use my Lancome concealer. I absolutely love this one. This is in the colour 215 Buff. Love this. Oh my god, if you want a full coverage concealer, holy shit, this is proper full coverage. Like, this is an absolutely amazing concealer. So you only need like a tiny bit because it actually is quite thick. So I literally use a tiny bit, and I'm going to pop it onto a brush, and I'm going to pop this like under the eye. But oh my god, this concealer is like unbelievable. Proper full coverage. So, and then I'm going to just dab a little bit with my finger, because I find with your finger it just blends it in like so much easier. I'm going with a tiny bit more, but you only need like that tiniest bit. It's absolutely amazing. I've had it ages and it's lasted me so long. So if you are looking for like a concealer that's really like full coverage, like, I would definitely recommend this. Definitely. I'm going to go in with my So Sumi palette. So I'm going to go in with this shade here. Now these are absolutely gorgeous. They're so lovely and creamy. They're amazing and they're so easy to blend. So I like to do a little bit of contouring for every day, nothing too much. I'm going to go in with the Blank Canvas Cosmetics brush in F36. How gorgeous are these brushes, by the way? Gold and pink. They're so lovely. So I'm just going to blend this out. So I always, with the contour, I always blend it up. Oh, I'm going to set under my eyes actually using the M.A.C Studio Fix powder in the shade NW20, and I'm going to set under the eyeballs, because I find if I don't set under my eyes it'll look really creasy, like, you know, it'll crease like a bitch. So I like to go in with some, rub that off, and then just like set under the eyes. Oh, and then I'm going to go in with the Kat Shade and Light palette, Kat Von D palette, Shade and Light. I absolutely love this palette, by the way. I got it, I'm so late on the bandwagon with this one. I got this on holidays when I was in Spain in Sephora, but I absolutely love it. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in with see this kind of yellowy one here. It's like a banana kind of colour, and I'm gonna set under the eyes, go on top of the MAC with that, because I find it further kind of brightens under the eyes. Here in the middle, I like this shade. So go on top of that with this. Oh, makeup makes me so happy. Oh, the Sosumi one first, which is this one right here. You can see I've nearly hit pan on it. Like, I really love it. Okay, I'm gonna pop that on a brush, and we're gonna pop this on the cheekbone. Like, oh my god, I love it. I love highlight. Highlight is like my most favourite step in makeup ever. Like, I could just swim in a bath of highlight. I love highlight. Like, look at that. It's lovely. It's gorgeous. I'm going to go under the brow bone with that as well. And then on the tip of the nose, oh, look at that. A Cupid's bow. I'm going to go in with another one. I'm going to go in with Becca in Opal. Got this on holidays as well. It's lovely. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm going to go in with a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to go right on top of the Sosumi highlight. So I just went in with a little bit of the Becca highlighter, and I just popped a little bit in the inner corners of my eye, because I absolutely love this. And especially like for everyday, if you're not wearing like a lot of like eyeshadow and stuff like that, because I don't really for everyday. Just like little things like by highlighting the inner corner of the eyes and stuff like that makes a big difference. It makes you look way more awake. Bronzer by Benefit, absolutely love this. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to pop this in my crease. Like, as I said, I don't really wear eyeshadow. Some days I do, some days I don't. It just kind of depends. So I'm going to pop this in my crease. I'm just gonna... So this basically defines your eye just a wee bit more, and just adds a little bit of something something. So next I'm going to go in with Gimme Brow, shade 5. So I brushed this through my brows, so this gives my brows a lot of kind of volume, makes them look a lot thicker. So I brush this up and out, it makes them a lot thicker, and it kind of just gives them a tint of colour as well at the same time. Absolutely love Cabrow. Also by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is in shade 5 as well. The concentration level is huge when I do my eyebrows. Oh my gosh. And then for the front bit, I just kind of flick it up a wee bit. If I do wear eyelashes, I love these. These are the Ardell Double Wispies. They're so fluttery and they're so like natural. They're absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous eyelashes on. I'm not going to pop on eyelashes today. I'm going to pop on the mascara. So I'm going to go in with this. The M.A.C Whirl is one of my favourites. I'm going to line my lips. And sometimes what I do is sometimes I actually fill my whole lip in with this. So I might actually go ahead and do that. The lip gloss by Bare Minerals. This is in the name Show Off. And I love their glosses. They smell so minty. Oh, they're unreal. They smell so minty, and they feel lovely on the lips. They're not like very sticky. So I'm going to finish the look off with Pixie Glow. I'm going to shake that up. Shake, shake, shake. And then I'm going to spritz a bit on my face. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any video ideas or anything that you would love to see, do let me know in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Until then, take care, and a happy new year. Bye.